What if one decision suddenly changed the balance of air power in the Middle East? Imagine waking up to the news that Iran has acquired a new generation fighter jet, one designed specifically to challenge much larger and more expensive aircraft. A jet that is small, extremely advanced, and built to defeat giants in the sky. That aircraft is the Saab JAS 39 Gripen. For decades, Iran's Air Force has relied on a mix of aging fighter jets. Many of these aircraft were purchased before the 1979 revolution, while others were acquired later in limited numbers. Over time, sanctions and limited access to modern Western technology made it difficult for Iran to modernize its air fleet at the same pace as other countries in the region. Today, many of Iran's fighters include older platforms like the F-4 Phantom, F-14 Tomcat, and MiG-29. While these aircraft have been upgraded and maintained, they are still based on technology that is decades old. Meanwhile, other countries in the Middle East are investing heavily in advanced aircraft, such as stealth fighters and next-generation systems. This is where the Gripen becomes interesting. The Gripen is a Swedish multirole fighter jet designed by Saab. Unlike some of the massive and extremely expensive fighter jets used by major powers, the Gripen was designed with a different philosophy. Instead of focusing only on size and raw power, the Gripen focuses on efficiency, advanced electronics, and network-centric warfare. In simple terms, the Gripen is built to fight smarter, not just harder. One of the biggest advantages of the Gripen is its advanced radar and sensor systems. Modern warfare is no longer just about speed or maneuverability, it is about information. The pilot who can see the enemy first usually has the advantage. The Gripen's radar can detect and track multiple targets simultaneously. Combined with modern electronic warfare systems, the aircraft can jam enemy radar, confuse incoming missiles, and share battlefield data with other aircraft and defense systems. Another major advantage is cost and operational flexibility. Many advanced fighter jets require long runways, massive maintenance teams, and extremely high operating costs. The Gripen, however, was designed to operate from smaller bases and even highways if necessary. This makes it extremely difficult for an enemy to destroy all of them on the ground during a surprise attack. In a conflict scenario, this flexibility could be a major advantage. Speed is another important factor. The Gripen can reach speeds of around Mach 2, which is roughly twice the speed of sound. But what truly makes the aircraft dangerous is its agility and modern missile systems. Equipped with beyond visual range missiles, the Gripen can engage enemy aircraft from long distances before the opponent even realizes they are being targeted. Now imagine how this capability could change Iran's air defense strategy. If Iran were to operate modern fighters with advanced sensors, network connectivity, and modern air-to-air missiles, it could significantly improve its ability to monitor and defend its airspace. The Middle East is one of the most strategically important regions in the world. Air superiority has always been a key factor in military balance across the region. Countries invest billions of dollars to ensure they maintain an advantage in the skies. But the Gripen represents a different kind of challenge. It is not just another fighter jet. It is a platform designed for modern network warfare. It can share data with other aircraft, drones, and ground-based defense systems in real time. This creates a connected battlefield where information flows quickly and decisions can be made faster. In modern air combat, seconds matter. The aircraft that detects the enemy first, locks onto the target first, and launches missiles first usually has the upper hand. If Iran were to integrate a platform like the Gripen into its air defense network, it could potentially strengthen its ability to monitor regional airspace and respond more quickly to aerial threats. But there are also many challenges. Acquiring advanced fighter jets is not only about buying the aircraft. Pilots must be trained, maintenance crews must be prepared, and complex logistical systems must be established. Modern fighter jets rely on sophisticated software, electronics, and constant updates. Training a new generation of pilots to fully utilize these systems can take years. Another factor is integration with existing air defense systems. Modern aircraft perform best when they operate as part of a larger network that includes ground-based radar, missile defense systems, and surveillance drones. However, if successfully integrated, such a system could significantly enhance situational awareness across large areas of airspace. The Gripen also carries a wide range of weapons. It can be equipped with air-to-air missiles, precision-guided bombs, and anti-ship missiles. This makes it a true multirole fighter capable of performing air defense, ground attack, and reconnaissance missions. Its advanced cockpit and helmet-mounted display give pilots a high level of situational awareness. Instead of constantly looking down at instruments, pilots can see targeting information directly in their field of view. This technology allows pilots to react faster in high-speed combat situations. Another key feature is the aircraft's ability to upgrade easily. The Gripen was designed with modular systems, meaning new technology can be added without redesigning the entire aircraft. This keeps the jet relevant even as new threats and technologies emerge. For any Air Force looking to modernize without spending enormous amounts of money on extremely expensive stealth fighters, the Gripen offers an interesting balance between performance and cost. This is why many defense analysts often describe the Gripen as one of the most efficient modern fighter jets in the world. Of course, any major change in regional air power always attracts attention. Air forces constantly monitor developments in technology, training, and strategy across the region. Even small improvements in detection systems, missile range, or aircraft performance can influence strategic planning. In the end, air power is about more than just aircraft numbers. It is about technology, training, coordination, and the ability to adapt to new forms of warfare. The Gripen represents a fighter jet built specifically for that modern battlefield. Compact, agile, and highly advanced, it proves that sometimes the most dangerous fighter jets are not the biggest ones, but the smartest ones. And if a country looking to modernize its air force were to introduce such a platform, it could certainly attract global attention. So the real question is not just about a single aircraft. The real question is how modern technology continues to reshape the future of air combat, and how nations adapt to maintain security and stability in an increasingly complex world.